Okay, friends, we are going to the cabin and we're on our way. We're on Highway 41, 141. So, we are now in Wasaki. So, we're getting close to the cabin. Okay, a few days ago, I posted a picture of a wrecked house. We call it a pumpkin house. And people were wondering if it was a painting or anything else. But it's actually a house. It's over there. See the house there? That's the house. And I took the video. Ito po is isang part ng drive na makikita nyo na may yellow and green color. It's really, really, really. Eto po, ang ganda ng rocks. Ang ganda-ganda. Yellow na yellow. There's all the trees. Ang ganda. It's so pretty. Ayan, kakaiba. We're finally here, turning. We're making our turn, and we're gonna go into the road, the rough road, going to the cabin. We need to open the gate though. So Dan is gonna go open the gate, and Ruger is here with me, right, Ruger? Forested area, but as you can see, it's different now. So makikita nyo po, ang dami ng puno na walang dahon, and it's a rough road. So kakaiba na since nung last kami pumunta dito, ang dami pang dahon at saka very colorful. Ayun, may ibon. There's a bird. Partridge. So ewan ko kung nakita nyo yung ibon, but eto po, wala nang dahon. Ano yun? Ay, ayun. Yeah, there's a bird. Yeah, I see it. It's walking. There is the partridge. It's not even scared. Look at that. That's so cute. It's parang manok. It looks like a chicken, but different. So, sana may makita kami nga usa or deer. Natatawid. Hopefully merong deer na tumawid na yun. Baka naman makapture ko sa camera, pero pag wala, it's okay. But eto, iba-iba na. Ibang-iba. So ito po kung makikita nyo, nung last post ko is marami pong dahon itong mga puno ito. Pero ngayon wala na siyang dahon. Yung iba may kukunting naiwan. Yung mga raspberries ay nag-start na nag-change ng color. At nahuhulog na rin yung kanilang mga dahon. Raspberries po yan. And then of course, up ahead pa yung cabin. So itong daan dito is private. Only owners are able to get into it or drive into it. So from here to there, kaya lang lakarin. At nilalakad namin ito kung in the mood, mulakad. Ito is another view of the trees on the other side. Wala na ring dahon. But it's still pretty. It's a different look. And then of course, mamaya, mas lalong maiiba na yung makikita natin on up ahead. So nandun si Dan, kinukuha yung cards sa camera para i-check kung may mga usaba kaming makikita ngayon. So ayan, kung makikita nyo, may mga dahon pa na naiwan sa ibang puno, pero karamihan ng mga puno wala nang dahon. Ang ganda po, kakaiba. Eto na kami, and you can see ang dami-daming dahon. Wala nang naiwan na dahon sa mga puno. Kaya nandun na lahat sa lupa. Ang kapal-kapal ng dahon dito, ang hirap nito. Dati batuhan to, ngayon is dahon na. Eto dati makapal, ngayon wala na. But it's really nice pa rin. Kakaibang tanawin lang. Yan, wala na oh. But ganda pa rin. Anyways, bana si Ruger. Come on, Ruger. Come down. Come here. Come on. Baba na dyan. Come now. Ruger. Come on here. Ayan. Kanya yung likod. So, he is down. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna go, Ruger, and help out. Hahakot na kami ng mga gamit. Dami naming dala-dala. Dala namin yung stove na isa, wood stove. Kasi papalitan namin yung wood stove. Kasi meron kaming wood stove sa loob ng cabin pero maliit. So ito ngayon yung medyo malaki-laki for the winter. So anyways, sign off muna ako. Hakot pa kami.